Well, here we are at the end of our Welsh Food and Farming Week. We've had a brilliant week. We started off at the beginning of the week with our brand new competition, the film reel competition. Look out for the good work that they've been done and the winner on that on social media. On Tuesday, we had our Sustainable Farming Conference down in Abergavenny, packed to the rafter with farmers, with government representatives and with the NGOs, there to listen how we are actually producing food and crops and everything we do here in Welsh agriculture, and that we're doing it sustainably. On Wednesday, we were over at a primary school on the outskirts of Wrexham where we brought the farmyard to the school. What a lovely day. We engaged with brilliant little children. None of them have a farming background, but it was brilliant to see how they were engaging with us. They wanted to know where the food came from and how we produced the food. On Thursday, we were on the promenade in Llandudno, where we had the opportunity to offer free local produced food, cheese, meat, milk, and again, very engaging with the public. The public are right behind us. They want our local food. They want to see our local food in schools and hospitals. So again, a good day we had there. And of course, we've ended the week here in Anglesey, where we've just had a meeting with our First Minister Hyn ap Iorwerth. We've had the opportunity to give him our thoughts on bovine TB, on SFS and on regulations. And that's part of the commitments that they've given us. All in all, a fabulous week, a very busy week, but a good one. So here we go, another week done. Look forward to next week, and after that, it will be the Royal Welsh Show. And of course, even though we've been busy with the Welsh Food and Farming Week, Abby has also been very busy. She's been down in Cardiff. She's met with the new chair of the National Resources Wales and also had her first governmental roundtable with the new government in situ. So everybody's busy, everybody's keep banging on the drum. Long may that continue.